Hello everyone, Peace for Rail Thinning here. We got a CN flat rock sub train coming here, L575. He's crossing the diamond. He should be heading towards King Road and should activate the crossing here any moment now. Any moment now. Should be activating here any moment. Yep. Picking up some speed. Should be activating. It's emptied. So yeah. I can hear the diamond from here. Should be activating any moment. There it goes. $57.15. You got the old school incandescent lights over there. So you got dial-light LEDs on top. Yeah, they just cleared the diamond at Harrison. So there it is, right down there. The end of the train's down there. It should be clearing the circuit. I'm going to show you the correctly wired secondary lights here. And the cantilever bell shutting off, so... As you guys can see, during deactivation, the cantilever bell shuts off. Typical CN Flint stuff wiring like GCR production says, and also the secondary lights on the flat rock side are still wired correctly. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more rail fanning videos, so stay tuned guys.